Hi, today I'll show you the way to create stencil effect in Photoshop. At first, separate the subject with background. Select Subject. Then select a mask. Use Refine Edge brush tool to eliminate the background left on her hair. Just lightly brush on her hair to remove it. When you're done, change the selection to New Layer with Layer Mask. Check to decontaminate color and adjust the amount to 30%, then OK. Now the girl is separated with the background. Create a solid adjustment layer, select white color, click to the adjustment icon and choose Threshold. Increase highlight by click to the triangle and move to the left. Go to Filter, Styles, Diffuse. In Mode, make sure to choose Isotropic and click OK. To increase the effect even more, we have to repeat this step one more time. Next, we'll sharpen it. Go to Filter, Sharpen, Smart Sharpen. The amount is 400. Radius is around 3 pixels and reduce noise 40%. We will repeat the step of diffuse twice to enhance the effect. Create a new layer. Choose Brush Tool, B shortcut, white in foreground and adjust the opacity to around 40%. Paint to remove black point. For some white point on her jacket, change black from background to foreground by pressing X shortcut on the keyboard and paint over these areas. You can turn off the threshold layer to see what you already painted. This will help you to paint more accuracy. You can also adjust the amount of threshold level if you want. That's it. If you think this video is helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get the notifications for any tips, tutorial in the future. See ya!